being here, and thanks to Reshma ma'am that you gave us the opportunity to speak in front of the people. And today I'm sharing my story when I started this journey. I was an introvert person. Even I feel so afraid to speak someone else. ये हम सबका सेम सिनेरियो था. तो mainly I just want to share something. After a long, I just recognize that is not the introvertness. That is, we all have the thoughts in our mind, but we have lack of articulation, and we can't articulate the sentences which we have. So we all have the same excuses. We are the introvert person. We are the introvert person. No, we are not the introvert person. We have the lack of confidence to speak in front of someone. So always I thought that कि when I started something ना कि मुझे अपने thoughts रखने हैं. Even I am the person. I have lots of thoughts in my mind. Even each and every communication. But because of the lack of confidence, I always said नहीं यार मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा. I can't speak. Might be गलत हो जाए. What they thought about me. And I have always thought that someone is sitting in front of me has a great command of English. मुझे लगता था नहीं, I can't speak. मुझे तो गलत ही हो जाएगा. So after a time, when I thought कि English तो सीखनी पड़ेगी. Even I thought something कि English is a language. English speaking and the language knowing is different. As I want to say that it was not like that. I don't know about the English. I know about the English, but saying it is a difference between a language, how to present yourself with a language, or the second thing, knowing the language. I know the language, but I have a hesitation to present myself with that language. So after a time when I'm just trying to how to speak, how to build up the confidence, I saw a lot of YT sessions for this, how to present yourself, how to make confident yourself, how to communicate. English सीखे 15 दिनों में, English सीखे 10 दिनों पे. I tried a lot for this, but after a time I just understand कि ये नहीं हो सकता. You can't even learn without a guidance. कि आपको कोई YT session नहीं सिखा सकता. When you are, the consistency is needed. जब तक आप consistent नहीं हो, nobody can teach you anything. So after a time when I know about the Reshma ma'am, she is throwing a communication course, foundation course. I started a foundation course. Initially, to be very honest, in front of you and in front of Reshma ma'am, when I started the classes, initially 2 and 3 classes, I feel I just waste my money. मुझसे नहीं हो पा रहा. What is this? मुझे कुछ समझ ही नहीं आता था. I just take the classes for 1 hour and back to my home and thought कि क्या करके आई? Nothing. I got nothing. After 3 or 4 classes, when Reshma ma'am told me how to inculcate the sentences in your mind, how to articulate the sentences, and how to speak them, how to be confident. So she taught us each and every step by step learning as she told me, and I work on it. Initially she told me to read the books, and I am the person who doesn't like to reading the books because I'm liking this my syllabus book because I have lot of course of my syllabus, so that's why I'm liking only my course. After she told me ki read this not read this type of book, read this type of book, and I just took this type of book. Initially मुझे ना बड़ा boring लगता था that type of मुझे ये किताबें पढ़ना. After a time, today I am a person who is fond of books. कि मुझे बहुत पसंद है books पढ़ना. And she told me after watch podcasts. I saw a lot of podcasts, reading English newspaper. As she told me, I just take step by step learning. Now I'm here in front of you with full of confidence. I can present myself with anyone. When I'm speaking my peers, when I'm speaking my friends and my students, my students' parents, and I feel so confident while speaking because of Reshma ma'am. Thanks to you ma'am. I'm here to speaking in front of you. You gave me a chance to enhance my overall personality. She is a person who is not a good guidance or a good. She is a good human being also. She helped me not only this program, not only this communication course. In all of my, if I ask my any any personal question to her which is roaming in my mind, I ask to her, Reshma ma'am, what is this? And she always help me in this ki, Akanksha, please prioritize yourself, prioritize your thing. After that, as she told in my इसमें कि मैंने हर चीज़ को मेरी ओवरऑल पर्सनैलिटी में डेवलपमेंट हुआ है बिकॉज ऑफ हर, बिकॉज व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड आई एम अ पर्सन हु हैज़ अ डिफरेंट माइंड सेट, हु हैज़ डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ थॉट्स इन माई माइंड. आई डोंट हैव टू प्रायोरिटाइज थिंग्स कि मुझे क्या चाहिए, मुझे समझ ही नहीं आता था. मुझे ये भी चाहिए होता था, मुझे वो भी चाहिए होता था. But at that time, when I was sharing my all thoughts with Reshma ma'am, she told me कि prioritize your thing, कि आपको क्या चाहिए, to it first and आगे बढ़ो. And after that, when I prioritize my thing, I feel so good. I feel a great confidence. Now I'm a person who has a different mindset. मैं problems को दूसरे तरीके से देखती हूँ. मैं चीज़ों को बहुत अच्छी से वो कर पाती हूँ, present कर पाती हूँ. Thanks to ma'am. जितना मैं आपको थैंक्स कहूँ उतना कम लगता है मुझे, बिकॉज यू गेव मी अ डिफरेंट वे फॉर द डिफरेंट सिनेरियोज. एंड बेसिकली देखा जाए तो हिंदी इज आवर नेटिव लैंग्वेज, इंग्लिश इज नॉट आवर नेटिव लैंग्वेज. व्हेन वी थिंक ना, तो हम लोग क्या सोचते हैं, हिंदी में सोचते हैं. शी टोल्ड मी कि थिंक इन इंग्लिश. शी गेव मी अ चांस कि गिव योरसेल्फ 20 minutes एंड थिंक ओनली इन इंग्लिश, थिंक ओनली इन इंग्लिश. सेंटेंसेस इजीली मेक. उसके बाद क्या था कि when I gave myself 20 minutes. No, I'm very honest. I'm not giving myself 20 minutes because I feel कि मेरे पास तो इतना टाइम नहीं है, because I have the another things to do. I have to stop podcast and reading newspaper. So I give myself only 10 minutes for this, and on that 10 minutes I only think in English, in different कुछ भी, मैं कोई भी चीज़ पकड़ लेती थी. I'm thinking. Even she told me about कि when you are in kitchen and you are doing your house chores, speak in English. किसी भी चीज़ से. And I'm starting the same. Once I'm in the kitchen and making something and speaking in English with the utensils, and she came to me and कहती किससे बातें कर रही हो? And I said कि तुम नहीं सही होगी, जाओ. So that is the way I just consistent in each and every step she told me, and today I am here explaining and presenting myself in front of you very confidently. Because of her, she gave me a chance to enhance my overall personality. This course is not giving me the communication part. This course gave me the overall personality. She is a good human being, and each and every time when I'm just want to meet her, she is present with me. And today I want to share in front of you. If you want to succeed in your life, if you want something in your life, English is a language. I'm not saying Hindi is the ऐसी लैंग्वेज है कि आपको कहीं नहीं पहुंचा पाएगी, बट इंग्लिश आज की डेट में आपको नीडेड है. I just restrict my all the students for the English class. Please try the English class, because Reshma ma'am gave me during the foundation course. I got many things from the foundation course, and I said to my students, please join her classes. I talked to their parents about this, and thanks to their parents, they are ready for this, and they enroll them in the Reshma ma'am class. And today I want to share this. If you want to succeed in your future, if you want to do something, please do something for you. और आप कुछ भी कर रहे हैं ना, आप please consistent रहें उस चीज़ के लिए. You got everything that you want in your life. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am.